Hey guys, editing Steff here. I just wanted to let you all know the face of makeup that you're gonna watch me apply in the next few seconds. I had this makeup on for 29 hours. After I filmed this video, I was getting ready to leave to go on my New Year's Eve vacation. And guess what airline we were flying? That's right, we were flying Southwest. And let's just say I have quite a story to tell you guys. Let's get back to the video. Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I am going to be doing a full face of my top products in every category for 2022. All of these products, I'm pretty sure all of these products were dropped this past year and they quickly moved up the ranks to become some of my most favorite, my most prized products in my makeup stash. I know that a lot of you guys, you tried a lot of amazing makeup, so maybe you can do this video along with me while you're watching me or while you're getting ready for work. Try and do a full face of some of your 2022 makeup favorites. This was a good year for makeup, I feel, and especially for the indie brands. The indie brands really had an explosion this year, and you're gonna see a lot of indie makeup in this best of beauty for 2022. If it is your first time here on my channel, I want to welcome all of you. Hi, how are you? My name is Steff and this is what I love to do. I love trying out new makeup. You're always going to see the latest and greatest in makeup reviews. I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos. We talk about makeup here and we talk about it a lot. If that sounds like somewhere you want to be and something you want to see on pretty much a daily basis, because I do tend to upload quite a bit, do me a favor, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if 2022 brought you some good makeup and you're curious to see what made my top lists, give this video a thumbs up before you go. As usual, everything that I'm wearing in today's video will be linked and listed in the description box. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel, and thank you guys, thank you for all the love and support that you showed not just to me but to my channel in 2022. We really grew. We grew quite a bit in 2022 and I cannot wait to see what 2023 has in store for us. If you guys want to see my best of beauty for this year, keep on watching. My favorite primer in 2022 is this one right here, and this is the Essence Hello Good Stuff Glow Serum Primer. Love it. Love it. If you love the Glow Recipe Niacinamide Watermelon Dewdrops, then this stuff is going to definitely be for you. I use that product. I actually have that product on today, but this particular product I reserve for primer purposes only. Although I'm sure you could use it as skincare, but I just prefer to use the Glow Recipe as skincare and this as a primer, and it feels so good. And it smells good. It has like a little citrusy scent to it, but it just gives the complexion such a beautiful glow, and foundation just looks so good on top of this, and it looks good all day. Now, if you saw my favorite foundations of 2022, then you know the Wayne Goss, the Luxury Cream Foundation, landed in the top spot in my stash. I have shade 9 in this one, which is a little too dark for me at the moment, but definitely gonna make it work today. This foundation is just that easy to travel with foundation. It's that easy to wear foundation. You can sheer it, you can build it up. It's just absolutely beautiful. I'm going in with my favorite foundation brush of 2022, although it didn't come out in 2022, but this is the BK Beauty 101 foundation brush. If you haven't gotten this brush yet, I totally recommend checking it out. It is a game changer when it comes to foundation application. It's just perfect. I love the way this foundation looks. It's just so smoothing, so blurring, so effortless, and it just gives that slight candlelit glow. Absolutely love it. Next we have concealer, and this is one I discovered right as the summer was starting, and this is from Honest Beauty, and this is their new Fresh Flex concealer. The shade I wear in this one is called Sand. Now, I know when I reviewed this, a lot of you told me that you were gonna pick it up, and those of you that did, You have come back and said that you love it. And I thank you. Thank you for doing that. You know, every time I review a product and you say you're going to get it based off of my recommendation, please come back and let me know how it works for you. I mean, it's hard. You know, I make recommendations based on my skin type and, you know, the things that I think look good on me, but obviously I'm not there with you to say yes for sure this is going to look great on you, but I'm glad that you trust my opinion, and I enjoy when you guys come back and let me know that Steph, this worked great on me. Thank you for the recommendation, because that really helps me out. That really helps me out when, you know, I'm formulating my opinion on a certain product, especially when it comes to complexion products like foundation and concealer. Those products are very unique, very individual to a person, and not everything unfortunately can work for everybody. But I love it when you tell me that my recommendations really helped you guys. That means a lot. Now I'm going to jump into setting spray. What I've been doing with my complexion is I do my cream products first, and then I do the setting spray, and then I go in with any powder products. So these are the last of the cream products that I'm applying. So my favorite setting spray of this year, well, this is the one I discovered this year. I'm not entirely sure if this came out in 2022 or later in 2021, but I tried it for the first time in 2022, and it is the One Size On Till Dawn mattifying waterproof setting spray. Now, just a side piece of information, but I'm actually getting ready to get on a plane and head over to Las Vegas. So this makeup look definitely needs to last a good 14 plus hours today. This is one of those setting sprays that's not gonna leave like any water droplets. It's more of like almost a dry setting spray, so to speak. It's really unique. Let me know if you've tried that one and what your experience has been with it, but I have really been enjoying it. Now let's jump into powder, to setting powder, and one of my favorites this year comes from the revamped Haus Labs. This is their Bio Blurring Loose Setting Powder, and I picked up the shade Translucent. I love the foundation as well, but the powder really made a bigger impact here in my stash, so much so that it's obviously my favorite powder of 2022. I just really feel that it helped to blur, and it does help to control oil, and I like the way it looks under the eye area with just about any concealer I pair with it. Now for bronzer. This is a bronzer that came out at the very beginning of 2022, and this one is from Too Faced. This is their natural chocolate cocoa infused healthy glow bronzer. This was part of that Too Femme collection. I love this. I love this all year long. I don't mind if my bronzer has a slight glow to it, and this is not too glowy. It's just like the perfect amount of glow. It kind of reminds me of the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, but I think this has a bit more glow than that one provides. I'm using my BK Beauty 107 brush. Too Faced has some new items that they dropped, and I'm going to see if I can pick up one of them when I'm over in Las Vegas. They have a new setting spray that looks really promising, so I'm going to see if I can get that. I'm also going to see if one of those Ultas has that Juvia's Place foundation. I didn't want to order it just because, I mean, it would arrive and I wouldn't be here. So I have a feeling that one of those stores up there will have it. And if so, I can get started on that foundation review early. I definitely don't mind testing out a new foundation while I'm on a little vacation, especially like Las Vegas, to where, you know, I don't tend to ever go without makeup there. It's not like a beach vacation, you know? Definitely have a glow going on. Oh, I love it. I love it. Now let's move on to blush. And I think my favorite blush release of 2022 has to be this one from Lunar Beauty. And this is the Nude Prism Blush Palette. Like, can we just take a moment to appreciate the artwork? Manny and his team, they always have beautiful packaging. I mean, really beautiful packaging. And then here are the three blushes. I love to mix and match and just dip in and dip all over. Love this so much. What shades am I going to do today? I think I'm going to do a combination of these two shades over here. I'm going to use my BK Beauty 104, and I'm just going back and forth. This top is not what I'm wearing, but it's I'm going to be wearing like black and tan, and I have one of those shackets, like a plaid shacket that I'm going to be wearing. So these are neutral colors. These colors are just so pigmented and just wearable, buildable, and absolutely beautiful. Now from blush, we go to highlighter and the Oracle palette from Bella Beauty Bar. This highlighter palette is stunning. Stunning. If you want them to see you from outer space, this is your palette. These are all like multi-duochrome highlighters. I'm just gonna swatch a couple of them. They are absolutely beautiful. This was a bit of a higher priced highlighter palette, I'll admit, but again, it's that special formula and they are just so good. I think I'm gonna wear the one in the middle. Yeah, that one's my favorite. That one is called The Moon. I'm using my Nabla Cosmetics highlighter brush. Wow. Perfect highlighter for Vegas. Now, before I do my brows, I need to do some eyeshadow primer. And this one from Too Faced, the Too Faced 24-Hour Shadow Insurance. This is a new formula that came out the beginning of this year. This has been my ride or die. I love this stuff. It doesn't crease. Sometimes I wear this even when I'm not wearing eyeshadow primer, just because I usually get like foundation and concealer on my eyelids. And this just doesn't make them get oily, doesn't make any of that makeup crease. It just works so well. Now for brows, I didn't really try any new brow products in 2022. I did try the one from Give. I've packed that one already though in my suitcase. So I'm gonna just take care of my brows off camera just to save some time. And I'm just gonna be using my favorite NYX products, which is this one right here, one of them. This is the micro brow pencil, and then I'm gonna go in with the Lift and Snatch brow pen. Now it's time to create an eyeshadow look, and my favorite palette of 2022 belongs to this one right here from Uden's Eye, the Soulmane 2 eyeshadow palette. This is just gorgeous. Gorgeous any time of year. What look do I want to create? What do I want to arrive in Vegas in? I think I'm gonna do, I wouldn't mind doing something like with the blues and then maybe like this shade on the lower lash line. I think that could be really pretty. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with this shade. I'm going to pack this all in the crease and then move into these two shades over there. And I'm using my Game Beauty E01. Now I'm taking the shade Neptune on a Rephr 14, and I'm just going to be working that in the crease. Now on a Rephr 13, I'm going in with that dark blue called Nebula. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going in with the shade right here called Galaxy. And I'm using a Rephr 26. Now on the lid, I'm going to do a combination of this shade right here as well as this shade right here. And this shade I think is also going to be for the inner corner. This shade is called Mercury, and I'm taking it on a damp Rephr 21. Now on a damp Morphe 213, I'm going to apply Starry Sky. I'm going to be doing this to the center and also the inner corner. I love the way this look turned out, but now it needs some finishing touches, and it's time for mascara. My favorite mascara of 2022 is from Tower 28, and it is the Make Waves mascara. This mascara is beyond beautiful. I know it is sold out right now at Sephora, but you can find it in stock on the Tower 28 website. Highly recommend checking this one out. Okay guys, mascara's on, love it. Haven't applied yet to the lower lashes because I am gonna do a falsie. I have to do a falsie. And I'm gonna do my favorite, my ones from Shop Miss A. These are the Alexis lashes. So I'll take care of that and then I will be right back and we'll get to lipstick. All right, now that the eye look is complete, it's time to go to lips. And my favorite lipsticks for 2022 have got to be, and not just because I'm gonna go see her in concert in a couple days, I'm so excited, but these from Give by Gwen Stefani. I tried all of the new shades in all of her lipsticks, and she also came out with lip glosses, which I only have one shade in the lip gloss and I love it, but these are amazing. She has a matte formula, she has a satin formula. I think they're both really great. Great colors, neutrals, berries, pinks, and reds. And it's still a small collection. It's still, not too big of a shade range, but what she has, amazing. Love it. They're long wearing lipsticks. I'm just going to go with this nude one. I have a few of them packed in my suitcase already. So this is one that is staying home. This one is in the shade Tragic Me. This is a matte one. I do have a video where I swatch out all of the lipstick shades. So if you're curious, definitely check that one out. Okay guys, so this is the official completed look, full face, using my favorite makeup products from 2022. Let me know what you thought of the look. Also, let me know what some of your best of the best products were that you got in 2022. Leave it in the comments down below and do this little challenge for yourself. The next time that you're doing your makeup, try to make it a full face of some of the best makeup that you tried this year. If I don't see you guys again until 2023, I'm not too sure what day this video is going up, but I want to wish everybody a happy new year. Have lots of fun, stay safe, and I will see you next year. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink that water. I'll see y'all very soon. Bye.